Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Imagine coming home not just to a clean space, but a healthier, happier environment. A space free from harsh chemicals, where every breath feels fresher and every surface gleams with the conscience. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality we're building at Green Cleaning. I'm Remy Aslan Amin, the CEO of Green Cleaning, and alongside my incredible team, we are here to share our vision to revolutionize the cleaning industry, one eco-friendly home and office at a time. We're not just offering our service, we are offering peace of mind, a healthier lifestyle, and a tangible contributor to a greener planet. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, but often convenience comes at a cost, especially when it involves the product we use daily. Traditional cleaning methods often rely on harsh chemical, think volatile organic compounds, allergens, and irritants that can negatively impact our health and pollute our environment. At Green Cleaning, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between a clean space and a healthy one. Our core value proposition is simple yet powerful. We provide non-toxic, biodegradable cleaning solution and utilize reusable supplies for both homes and office. This means a deep, effective clean without harmful residues. It means a safer environment for your children, your pets, and your employees. It means significantly reducing waste one clean at a time. We are not just cleaning, we are caring for your well-being and caring for our shared planet.
Thank you, Encik Remy and Azlan Amin. Hello, everyone. I am Arif Saha, and I oversee the operations here at the Green Cleaning. Our promise of a truly eco-friendly clean is delivered through a multi-delicious, people-centric approach. Let's talk about our key resource and activities. Let's make it all possible. First, our product. We religiously vet and resource only the highest quality, certified, non-toxic, and biodegradable cleaning solutions. These aren't just greenwash products, they are genuinely effective and environmentally responsible. Secondly, our team, our cleaning professionals are not just cleaners, they are meticulously trained and are specialists in eco-friendly cleaning technique. They understand the science behind our product, the best practice for waste reduction, and most importantly, how to deliver an expedition customer experience. We invest heavily in their ongoing development and well-being to ensure they are passionate about sustainability as we are. For our customer relationship, we prioritize transparency, personal, and service. Our internet online booking system make schedule a breeze. But beyond that, we foster open communication, listen to the feedback, tailoring cleaning plans to individual needs, and building a long-term relationship based on trust and shared values. We offer flexible scheduling, easily communicating communication channel, and a dedicated support team to ensure every customer feel valued and understood. We understand that every home and office is unique, and our goal is not just meet but exceed your expectation, and while upholding our commitments to sustainability.
Thank you, Mr. Alif Sahab. Hi, I'm Hazwan Zahaba, and my role is to connect green cleaning with the amazing people and business who share our vision. Okay, let's talk about our customer segment and how we are reach them through effective channels. Okay, our primary customer segment includes first, environmentally conscious homeowners, which is individuals and families who actively seek sustainable solutions for their homes. They are often health aware and prioritize a chemical-free living space. Second, health aware families. Parents concerned about allergens and toxins, looking for a safe environment for their children and pets. Third, small to medium-sized office which is business committed to their corporate social responsibility, looking to provide a healthier and more sustainable food space for their employees. And last but not least, busy professionals and families, where who value convenience but refuse to compromise on their values of sustainability and health. Okay, to reach this vital segment, we utilize a multi-phase approach. Our channels are strategically chosen to resonate with our target audience. Our strong online presence, our user-friendly website is a hub for information and booking. We leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase our work, share eco-friendly tips, and engage with our community. Second, strategic local partnership. We collaborate with organic grocery store, wellness center, yoga studio, and local community groups allow us to connect directly with like-minded individuals. And last, participate in local green events and fairs. This gives us a direct platform to demonstrate our solution and educate the public. Our marketing, our marketing is not just about selling. It's about educating, inspiring, and building a community around the idea of healthier, greener lifestyle. We tell the we tell the story of clean that feels good both inside and out.
Thank you, Mr. Hazwan Zahaba. So, how does this sustainable vision translate into a sustainable business? Let's briefly touch upon our revenue streams, cost structure, and key partnership that ensure our long-term viability and growth. Our revenue streams are diversified, ensuring stability and accessibility. First is a pre-service fees for one-off cleaning needs, and then subscription packages, our most popular option, offering discounted rates for regular recurring cleans, perfect for busy individuals and office, and add-on services, a deep clean, specific area focus with all our eco-friendly promise.
Our cost structure is carefully managed, focusing on efficiency and quality. Our primary costs include labor investing in our high-skilled team and sourcing of premium eco-friendly products and a reusable supply. We optimize our operation to minimize waste and maximize the value, allowing us to offer competitive pricing without compromising our value. Finally, our key partnership are fundamental to our success. We collaborate closely with certified eco-friendly product suppliers to ensure a constant supply of the best solution. We also partner with local businesses and environmental organizations, expanding our reach and reinforce our commitment in the community. These strategic alliance are not only enhance our offering but also amplify our impact.
At Green Cleaning, we believe a truly clean future is a shared responsibility. We are not just another cleaning service, we are a movement towards healthier homes, happier workplace, and a thriving planet.
We invite you to experience the green cleaning difference. Feel the peace of mind that's come from knowing your space is not just clean, but truly care for inside and out.
Let's join our growing community of environmentally conscious individuals and business. Let's make a positive impact together, one sparkling, sustainable clean at a time.
Thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you create a brighter, greener, clean for your home and office. Thank you very much.